When something goes wrong with your windows or doors, it's important to know if you should replace them or repair them. Let's go over a quick few details to see what you should do. If you have broken glass in your window or door and we installed it, give us a call. We'll see if you have an accidental glass breakage warranty policy, and if not, we will point you in the right direction of a glass replacement company. If we did not install the product, you should reach out to the manufacturing first to see if you do have a warranty, and if not, then reach out to your local glass replacement company. If you see water damage, it's important to check a couple simple things: your sealants, your moisture barriers, and your drainage being the weep hole system. If you're not sure where it's coming from, give us a call, send us some pictures, and we'll definitely check it out. If you don't like the way that they look, or they're really old and don't operate well, those definitely need to be replaced. If you see condensation on the inside of the glass, if we've installed it, give us a call and we'll reach out to the manufacturing company for you. If not, you do need to reach out to the manufacturing company to see, again, if you have a warranty, and if not, call your local glass replacement company, not a window replacement company. That'll be the best option for you. Now, if you are a do-it-yourselfer and you're thinking about taking on the challenge, I would advise you, there are many things to consider when keeping the moisture and the water out of your house. So you may want to consult a professional before you even buy windows or tear them out of your house yourself. When the lawnmower breaks your glass or it cracks for whatever reason, do you know who to call? Not everyone does. Let's dive into the details. How or why it broke actually matters. If it was an accidental glass breakage or impact, then again, you're going to check the manufacturing warranty. If it's not covered, call the glass replacement company. However, if there was no impact and the glass appears to be breaking on its own, you may have a structural issue or an issue with the window itself. Reach out to either a window manufacturing company or us if we installed it. If the glass needs to be replaced, here's how it's going to be replaced. Typically, on most windows, you're going to have a glazing bead on the outside, which is hiding the edge of your glass. This gets removed. The glass will be removed in an insulated glass unit, so double pane glass. Both pieces will get removed intact. A new piece of glass, being an insulated glass unit, will be reinstalled, and then a new piece of your glazing bead gets reinstalled at the last item. If you do have the manufacturing company replace the glass, chances are you're going to extend that warranty with the manufacturing company. However, if it is just a glass company, you need to look at their warranty, which may be anywhere from 1 to 5 years. Now, if your glass is broken, but yet your windows are really old, all of the glazing beads are falling off, the window doesn't operate well, then chances are it's time to replace the window. Give us a call or your local window door replacement company to investigate your windows for a professional opinion. Window leaks are never a good thing, but sometimes it's surprisingly easy to fix a window leak. Let's dive in. First, you want to check the weep hole system. The water should be draining out the holes on the bottom of the window. Now, you're going to want to check the sealant all the way around the window on the exterior where the window frame meets the house. You want a watertight seal there. Any small pinhole can create a leak. If those two are correct, and you have water dripping from the lid or from the header of the window, you may have a bad flashing, you may not have flashing depending on the year of your house, or you may have a roof leak. You then need to consult a professional about which issue you think you have and take it one step at a time. Same thing, if the window is leaking and it's out of warranty, you need to reach out to the window replacement specialty company as well. Some window leaks don't have to happen if you maintain your windows properly. Let's take a closer look at a few ways to maintain your windows so you don't have to have a water leak from improper maintenance. At least once a year, check the caulking on the exterior of your windows. It is more important the exterior than the interior. Check the tracks, make sure they're free of obstructions, debris, cat hair, dog hair. Those will really clog your weep hole system and stop it from breathing or stop it from expelling water. Make sure you don't have any trees or shrubs leaning up against your window. It can scratch your glass and obstruct the weep hole system. A bonus tip is to keep the glass clean during the summer more important. Let that energy efficiency or that low E coating do what it's supposed to by reflecting that heat outward. If you follow these few tips, you can stay up to date on the maintenance of your window and get a lot more longevity out of your product. Another common misconception we get is fog on the glass. If the fog is on the inside of the double pane, then you cannot touch it from either the exterior or the interior of the home, then that is definitely a problem. Call us or the manufacturing company. However, if it is on the exterior of the house or the inside of the home and you can touch it and run your fingers through it, then that is not a problem. That actually shows that your windows are working very well. We typically get those calls twice a year. The air temperature inside the glass is different than the air temperature on the inside of the home and the exterior of the home. That is when you will get a condensation buildup on either the inside or the outside of the home. And again, you have to be able to touch it for it not to be a problem. And don't worry, that'll go away after an hour or two, and you'll maybe see it next year. So if you are not certain whether to replace a single piece of glass, a couple of windows, or the entire thing, the best thing to do, give us a call at 480-906-4109. Talk to you soon.